Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add blurry border to a video in CapCut. So here I've already added a video and I'm going to change its format so that I can add the blur border into it. And then I'm going to just find format, so this one's right here. So now let's say I'm going to change it into the square like this, and you can also resize it like this. And then next, to add the blur border, I'm going to click on canvas and you just can choose blur. Okay, so in here the blur has been added, and if you want the blurs to be so intense, you can just choose or click the most right one. This one's right here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to just choose the third one right here and then click on the check icon. If you don't want the border to be big, you can just go like this, or you can also make it smaller like so, and after that you can just export your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.